Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and manage or open Proton mail settings. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Proton mail and sign in into your account. Once you've done that, click on this gear icon which is settings and click on all settings. So let me just go ahead and show you all the settings that you can go ahead and control. So this is the dashboard. This is where you can upgrade your Proton mail if you want to. All your invoices, credit notes, everything is going to be here as well, and you can simply go ahead and check mark on all these notifications. There's a upgrade plan button, there's a recovery button, so you can add a recovery email address or a phone number that you can use and simply go ahead and recover your account. There are also emergency access or emergency contact. Other options that you have are account and password, obviously language and time, appearance. All these are very basic. What is not basic and what is very important is that you can see encryption and keys are very important. You can simply go ahead and add key verification if you want to with mail. You can also go ahead and play around with your IMAP, SMTP if you want to, and you can also forward and auto reply and stuff like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.